Welcome to Best Choice. The best Fishpond net is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for any angler, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. A good net can be the difference between landing that trophy catch and watching it slip away at the last second, making it a crucial tool for preserving your hard-earned success and ensuring a smooth, satisfying fishing experience every time you head out to the water. Number 5. U.S. Pool Supply 5-Foot Leaf Skimmer Net. Keep your pool, spa, or pond sparkling clean with this essential tool. It's designed for fast and efficient removal of leaves and debris, making daily maintenance a breeze. This 5-foot skimmer features a durable, fine mesh net that's perfect for capturing even the smallest particles. The lightweight aluminum pole is easy to handle and extends to the perfect length for your needs. Its large volume, ultra-fine mesh bag holds more debris, preventing it from escaping as you maneuver. You'll collect more with every pass, saving you time and effort. The sturdy plastic frame is gentle on all pool surfaces, including liners. You can even adjust its length for versatile use, from a full-length pool cleaner to a convenient hand skimmer. We stand behind our products. Purchase with the assurance that you're getting a quality item from a brand committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This net is perfect for quick and easy pool maintenance. Its ultra-fine mesh captures even the smallest debris, and the lightweight, customizable pole makes maneuvering a breeze. If you have a pool, spa, or pond and want a simple, effective tool for daily cleanups, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The net is lightweight and easy to handle. The handle extends to a good length, making it easier to reach fish. The mesh is fine enough to prevent small fish from escaping but also durable. Number 4. Heavy-Duty Pool Skimmer Net. Our pool skimmer net is built with high-strength nylon, offering superior durability. It's designed to be reparable for small damages, ensuring it lasts through daily use. The frame is constructed from sturdy aluminum, providing long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. This ensures it can handle tough cleaning jobs. This tool is perfect for various water features, including swimming pools and ponds. It effectively captures leaves, bugs, branches, and other small debris. Its innovative front lip design allows for easy scooping of debris from the bottom. Lifting it through the water is also a breeze. Designed for convenience, it fits all 1 to 1 4-inch poles and includes an easy clip for easy attachment. Get your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. What we like. This is a robust option built to last. The sturdy aluminum frame and reparable net mean it can handle frequent use and minor damages. If you're looking for a durable net that easily scoops debris from the bottom of your pool or pond, this is the one for you. What people say. The net is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for quick catches. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand frequent use in various fishing conditions. The mesh size is ideal for preventing smaller fish from escaping while minimizing harm to larger ones. Number 3. Fishpond Nomad Replacement Rubber Net Bag. Keep your favorite fishing net in top condition with this replacement rubber net bag. It's designed for durability and gentle fish handling. This bag offers a precise fit for various net models, ensuring it attaches securely. Check the sizing guide to find the perfect match for your specific net. Crafted from robust materials, this net bag is built to withstand the rigors of the outdoors. It's made to last through countless fishing adventures. The clear rubber material is designed to be kind to fish, minimizing harm during catch and release. It helps protect their delicate scales and slime coat. Included with the bag are 50 #Dacron and a needle for straightforward installation. You'll have your net ready to go in no time. Available in multiple sizes, this replacement bag is compatible with a wide range of Fishpond Nomad nets. Whether you have a hand net, mid-length net, or guide net, there's a size for you. What we like. This is a great solution if you already own a compatible Fishpond net and need a replacement bag. It comes with everything you need for a quick repair. If you have one of the specified Fishpond net models and need a new, durable rubber net bag, this is your best bet. What people say. The net is a good size for most fish. It is lightweight and easy to carry. The handle is comfortable to grip. Number 2. Fishpond Mid-Length Fishing Net. Introducing the mid-length fishing net from Fishpond. Crafted from a robust carbon fiber and fiberglass composite, it's built to last. This net is completely waterproof and weatherproof, ensuring reliable performance in any condition. It's also designed to be buoyant, so you won't lose it if it goes overboard. With a length of 44.75 inches, it offers ample reach for landing your fish. The head measures 16 inches wide by 24.75 inches long, providing plenty of space. Weighing just 560 grams, 1.23 pounds, with the rubber bag, it's easy to handle and maneuver. This makes it a practical choice for any angler. Experience the perfect blend of durability, size, and weight with this exceptional fishing net. It's the ideal companion for your next fishing adventure. What we like. This net is designed for serious anglers. Its lightweight yet strong composite construction makes it easy to handle, and it floats, so you won't lose it if it goes overboard. If you're a fisherman who needs a reliable, high-quality net for various fishing conditions, this mid-length option is ideal. What people say. The net is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient for quick catches. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand frequent use in various fishing conditions. The mesh size is perfectly suited for most common fish species, preventing smaller fish from slipping through while allowing water to drain quickly. Number 1. Fishpond Nomad LG Fishing Net. Introducing the Nomad LG Fishing Net by Fishpond. It's designed for anglers who demand the best. Constructed from a robust carbon fiber and fiberglass composite, this net is built to last. It's strong enough to handle both big and small catches with ease. With a total length of 41.5 inches, it features a large 13-inch wide by 21.75-inch long head. This provides ample space for securing your catch. Weighing just 535 grams or 1.23 pounds with the rubber bag, it's surprisingly light. You can easily maneuver it in and out of the water. The innovative river coat finish offers a rubberized paint for the greatest grip, even when wet. This ensures secure handling no matter the conditions. What we like. This net is built for performance and durability, especially for catching larger fish. The rubberized grip ensures a secure hold even when wet, and its robust construction means it can handle significant strain. If you're an angler targeting bigger catches and need a dependable, easy-to-grip net, the Nomad LG is a top-tier choice. What people say. The net is lightweight and easy to handle. The handle is extendable, which is great for reaching fish in deeper water. The mesh is fine enough to prevent fish from getting tangled, but also allows water to drain quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.